In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on MetaTrader with an Oanda account. This easy-to-follow guide will walk you through the essential steps, ensuring you're set up and ready to trade efficiently. First, you'll need to open an Oanda account if you haven't already. Head over to Oanda's official website and navigate through their straightforward sign-up process. This process is quite user-friendly, so simply follow the prompts and fill in the necessary information to create your new account. Once your account is set up, you'll want to dive into the Accounts tab within your Oanda portal. Here, you can create a specific MT5 account that will be used for your MetaTrader interactions. This is a critical step, as it ensures that your account is properly configured for the MetaTrader 5 platform. After setting this up, Oanda will provide you with essential information, including your MT4 login credentials, password, and server details. Make sure to note this information carefully, as you'll need it for future logins. With your account details securely stored, navigate to Oanda's platform section. This is where you can download the specific version of MetaTrader 5 that suits your operating system. Oanda makes it easy by offering versions compatible with different systems, ensuring smooth installation and usage across various devices. Once the download is complete, go ahead and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install MetaTrader on your device. This process is generally quick and straightforward, but it's always worthwhile to double-check each step to avoid any installation mishaps. With the platform successfully installed, you'll now be ready to open the Oanda MT5 platform on your device. Upon opening, you'll see the interface where your trading activities will take place. Next, you'll need to log in to your trade account. Click on the File menu located in the top left corner of the platform. Then select Login to Trade Account. This is where the information you noted earlier becomes crucial. Enter your login ID, password, and server information provided by Oanda to proceed. Be sure to select the correct server from the drop-down menu. It's essential that this server matches your Oanda account jurisdiction, as this can affect your ability to successfully connect and trade. Once you're logged in, you'll have the opportunity to configure your charts and indicators. Personalizing these elements can make your trading experience more intuitive and visually appealing. After configuration, you're all set to begin trading on Oanda's MT4 platform. Take your time to explore the features and make sure to familiarize yourself with the tools at your disposal. Congratulations! You're now ready to navigate the exciting world of trading on MetaTrader with your Oanda account. Whether you're new to trading or brushing up on your skills, this setup is designed to help you trade confidently and effectively. Happy trading!